Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about something which I did that I personally wanted to do, similar to Comet. You guys know like how much I like this particular browser. When they released, I was waiting for weeks to get the access from them. So they gave access for me, and I was trying multiple things. I had this curious thought uh, that I was very curious about how someone can build this much, unique browser, and it is very useful and giving another thought for a different view on agents. Being a browser as your assistant is something very different, which I cannot, think about. So I had this view on this browser. I kept doing everything like whatever the options which is available. I tried everything. Literally, I tried everything by giving those fake or unused accounts. Those things I tried with. I didn't give the actual one again. So, what if I try something similar to that, which will be useful for something which I am doing personally without even, worrying about giving access to? But I use Gemini LLM for this. Yeah, I built something similar to Comet, not a browser, but a Chrome extension that I tried and I built with 90 percentage of accuracy, but it won't perform every task what your Comet does. For example, it can't just go and type in Google Doc or print anything that you wanted to, make summary out of it. But it can do the task which your LLM does now, like classifying the text, understand what is that web page is about, and summarizing the entire context which is available. So these things, the basic stuff it can do. But how? In today's video, we're going to see that, and I'll tell you like how I did it. And I also share this particular project in Git. I will definitely share because I just want everyone to have this and modify some of the things or include some of the things. If you include and modify this project or improvise this project, just put it in the Git repo again and share it with me. Add anything that you wanted to. Yeah, just let's get started. So here I just opened this Hugging Face page website. I mean web page. So here's the extension which I included in my browser, which is basically my AI web assistant, similar to Comet. Why I'm saying similar is because it is not a browser uh, like the Comet Perplexity. But I just included few things in here where summarizing page content and just finding out some of the things which is available in here. So it understands the web page and it does few tasks on that. It can't just click or proceed or signing up. Those things it can't do because I tried. Why? Because the page which would have been written in HTML and the code which reads and understands a different language, non HTML language, or the rendering is completely different and the way it understands the rendering is different. So, because of that reason, it is not doing certain things. But I'm just going to ask it to summarize this page content and execute it. It takes time, yes. I used Gemini, yes. And after this execution and few more things which I'm going to try, and we'll see the actual, code for this. So here's a summary of the page content, model overview. This page details realistic gender classification. Of course, it is a binary image classification. So it just gave me the summary of this page, the entire page. It understood the context of this page and gave me that. I can't be more happy. Um, this gave me so much satisfaction because I just thought like, what if I had something on my own, or if I created something on my own and just tried it and see, powered by Gemini AI. Yes, I created using Gemini. Just wanted to give credits on, but why it is not actually trying to type or understand the actual thing, like modifying your context in Google Doc. Because when I tried with Comet, it actually wrote the hello world, those things it wrote. I'll show you that also. So if you see here, I tried to write something on it and it just wrote. Now I just gave a space, write my name in this page, Pavitra. Oh, Pavitra here. Yeah, Pavitra. Yes. So it will write, and before writing it, it understands. I mean, it actually captures the page screenshot and understand whether it wrote or not. So I can see a doc, Google Doc is open with Hello World already typed because it took a picture of it and quickly did the OCR. See, it just wrote my name on it. So it does OCR after taking a screenshot and understands what is there, what is not there, and writes it. After writing, it again takes a screenshot and verifies with the word which I gave the text matching and does it. This I can't able to do because Google won't allow me, but Comet or Perplexity have access to, which I cannot. So that is the tricky part. But reading a web page is something which is open, right? And some of the open pages which is available, you can make a view on that. I even tried with chat, Google Chat, and it gave a summary of it, like the conversation that we had. I can show you that. But yes, the particular person asked you this, the that you replied this, that it gave. So yes, and let me show you the code before moving into a conclusion part, like the improvisation part, what I would like to improve in this. Let's go on that. Okay. So if you see here, these are the features that I added in this extension, which you can ping, I mean, ask any of that. Like we can create whatever the LLM offers you to write about a particular topic, about the website which you are like referring to, make it to summarize or any just create any insights about it or quickly make a note out of it. So highlight some of the key points on it. So everything that you wanted to see on the web page and after what you need to do from the web page, like summarize this entire IEEE paper for me and give a like abstract in 3 bullet points, like that you can summarize and have it like similar to Comet, but it is not like doing every set of things that Comet does because it's a browser and have access to various applications, because internally you can't just pass through those things, but you need like a little bit of a keyboard and those access things and little more works you need to do, and then you can actually do this clickable and modifying text, those things you can add those features later. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but I'm still working on that. These are something like I was very amazed when I came across this thing. I did, vibe code some of things because I don't know JavaScript. I know only Python. So I just did a vibe code on this, and the idea is mine. Like I wanted to do something on this, but it should be simple and executable in my system. So I just wanted it as an extension. If you are someone who can afford, you can have a assistant, personal assistant kind of tool. You can build a software like. I think it is a very good project for anybody who's like into this AI agents and I mean multi agents, anything it may be. and Gen AI projects. Those things you can include these kind of projects too, and it'll be very useful for anybody who's new and like looking for something fun. Yes, I am so happy which I did this, and I'm going to improvise few more. If I did, I'll be updating the same thing in the project which I'm going to upload in Git repo. I just put every update that I make for this particular application. And even if you do, share it with me or put those link in the same video comment section. Okay, so that we can just have the entire idea about. Okay, yeah, that's all I have. Uh, Reach me out for anything that you wanted about this. Yeah, that's all I have. Yeah, take care. Bye.